Jeremiah 33:3. Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this small knotless boohoo braid. If you guys want to know how I did this, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my video. Let's get straight into it. This hair was sent to me by maroochin.amzhair. I've used the hair before with another knotless tutorial. So for the expression I'm using color 30 and color 4 because the bundle that I received is color 4, 27 and 30. As you guys can see, I've already started my hair because I knew this hair was going to take a very long time, and also I had only like 2 days for me to do this hair because I was also traveling and I needed to get my hair out the way, and I had so many other stuff to do. I needed to get my nails done and so many other things. And also this hair tutorial is very straightforward. If you've been following me or been watching me, you know most of my tutorials are based on knotless braids, so I didn't see the point for me to do a whole tutorial for the whole head. So I just wanted to show you guys how I use the hair, how I attach this hair, and the final look of this hair that I received. So for me to achieve my knotless braids, I didn't want it to be very thick because I haven't done small knotless braids in a long time. So I decided I wanted to do small knotless braids for my holiday, and I really wanted to use this color. So I was so happy when they sent me this color. It's such a beautiful color. So for me to start the hairstyle, I started with my natural hair first, and then I went ahead to attach the attachment, and I did also blend the hair together. So the expression, I did go ahead to blend the expressions together, so the color 30 and color 4, just to get that perfect blend before I started braiding. So as you guys can see, I'm literally just attaching the curly piece into the expression, making sure that I braid it maybe like 3 times with the expression, and then I put it to the side because we're doing a boohoo knotless braid, so you do want to leave some of this curly piece out. The longer you want the hair, the more expression you need to add. The fuller you want the curly piece or the curly part of the hair, the more curly piece you have to add. For the back, I think I went ahead to add like 4, and when I started going up, I started adding around 4, 5, 6. It just depends. I wanted to add more curly piece the farther I went up, or at the front basically. And for the end, what I decided to do this time around, usually I would braid the curly piece with the expression, and then I will add a glue. So I'll tie like a knot and then cut off the knot. But this time I decided to actually braid it all the way to the end with the curly piece. I did watch a video that showed me that I could do this, and I was like, why not try it, because this is my first time doing this. So I did braid the curly piece with the expression all the way to the end, as you guys can see. Don't worry, I know you might be thinking, is that not gonna unravel whatever? No, because at the end I did go ahead to dip the end part in hot water. So I basically just repeat this method, like nothing new, nothing special. It's the same thing I would usually do. Just do your knotless braids and add the curly piece inside the hair. Normally when you use human hair, because this is 100% human hair, people usually think, oh, it's human hair, it doesn't tangle or whatever. I've had this hair for like, I believe 2 weeks now, because I went on holiday with this hair, and trust me, it does tangle. But there's so many ways to detangle it. You can use water, you can use mousse, you can use leave-in conditioner for you to detangle your hair. This is how I prep the curly piece of the hair. I did go ahead to use a gummy edge control. So I just made sure I added that gummy, and then I combed through the hair, and then I started taking it out piece by piece. So that's the piece I obviously went ahead to attach with the braids. And also when you're braiding your hair and you can see the little bits hanging out, don't worry, you can always use scissors and just trim that at the end. So this is it. I can't remember the last time I did small knotless hair braids because it takes forever. This took me 2 days. So I did go ahead to use some water with the working conditioner, and then I just sprayed that on the hair, and then I went ahead to tip the hair, or dip the hair tip, wow. I went ahead to dip the hair in hot water, and you can see the end of the hair is very curly, and it looked so pretty, and I was so happy that I didn't have to tie the knot. And this hair is still intact. It wasn't unraveling, it didn't fall off my hair or nothing. And this is how the texture looked. It looked really nice after you dip it in hot water. That's one thing I love about, you know, curly hair. And the bulk human hair that I used was the deep wave 18-inch. I think you can also get up to 20-inch. So now I'm just going ahead to, you know, define those curls by using the Tresemme Shine hairspray, which is really good to define your curls, and also it adds shine to your hair. And then I also added the Elvive serum hair, which is really good as well to add shine and help to detangle your hair. So this is how the hair turned out. So pretty, so full. It did take me 2 days, and I did use literally almost the 2 bundles of the curly hair that they sent me, because I did go ahead to do it small and I wanted it to be full. So this is how it looked. Like, this hairstyle, literally you need maintenance for this hairstyle. Like, if you want to do this hairstyle, you need maintenance. But I really love the color. Like, I received so many compliments, even at the airport, even when I got back and I went to events. Like, people loved this hair on me. And you can just, you know, do different styles as well. So if you want to get this hair, make sure you do check them out. I'm going to put all the details in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. I want to get a bit more consistent with my YouTube, because I feel like I've been slacking for you guys. But, you know, let me know what you guys want to see. I know I do bring a lot of hair tutorials, but, you know, if there's something different you want to see, let me know. I hope I'm not going to regret saying this, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.